Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a tax line from one of your reports. How you would do that is first you go to reports. From there you will go to lists, account listing, and then from there you will just go to customize report. And from here you can search up tax line, and then you see that check mark right over there. Just click it to uncheck it and then click OK. And then from here you can also modify your date too. So how you will modify your date is from here. Just change from here. You're gonna put, I believe it was December 31st, 2021, and then click OK. And then from here, that's where your account listing and when it was last closed it at. Hope this helps, and if it does, I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.